Imagine this, you open Instagram, your profile loads instantly. Your post, your followers, your messages, everything is just there. But here is the real question. Where is all that data actually stored? And how does the website remember you out of millions, even billions of users? And even crazier, how does it find your data in milliseconds? Today we are going deep but keeping it simple. By the end of this video, you all understand how websites store your data, what database really are, and how apps like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube manage massive amounts of information. Let's break it down. Let's start simple. Every time you sign up on a website, log in, like a post, send a message, you are creating data. Now, websites can't just remember things like humans do. They need a system. That system is called a database. Think of a database like a super organized digital storage system. But instead of random files everywhere, everything is structured, searchable, fast. Without databases, the internet literally wouldn't work. No accounts, no messages, no saved data. Let's make this visual. Imagine your school has records office. Inside it, every student has a file. Each file contains name, age, class, grades. Now imagine 10,000 students. If everything was just thrown randomly into a room, finding one student would take hours. So what do? They organize it into tables. A table is the core of a database. Think of it like a spreadsheet. Example, a student with the username and email and password. Student name is Sammy123, ID is 1, email is sammy@gmail.com with a password hashed out, and another student name which is Tech King, ID number is 2 and email is tech@gmail.com with a password hashed out. You see here, each row is equals one user and each column is equals a type of data. So when you sign up on a website, your information becomes a row in a table. Let's walk through it step by step. You open a website and click sign up. You enter your username, email, password. Now watch this. First, your browser sends this data to the server. The server processes it. The server sends it to the database. The database stores it in a table. Boom! You now exist inside that system. Short answer, no, and they better not. Websites don't store your password directly. Instead, they use something called hashing. For example, your password is my password 123. After hashing, it becomes something like A83F9C4E1D92F. This is one way and impossible to reverse easily. So if hackers steal the database, they don't see your real password. Now, here is the magic. Let's say you log in, you type email, your password. What happens? 1. Website searches the database, look for your email, finds your role, compares your password hash. If it matches, you are logged in. But here is the crazy part. Even with millions of users, this happens in milliseconds. This is where database gets powerful. They use something called indexing. Think of it like the index page in a textbook. Instead of reading the whole book, you jump straight to the page you need. Databases do the same thing. They create shortcuts. They organize data for fast lookup. That's why searching your account is almost instant. Not all databases are the same. There are two main types. There are relational database, which is SQL, and there are data stored in tables, structured. Example, MySQL, PostgreSQL, used by banks, schools, websites. Another type of database is NoSQL database. These databases are flexible, structured, stores like JSON, faster for large-scale apps used by social media platform. Let's take Instagram. When you post a photo, like something, follow someone, each action creates data like users table, posts table, likes table, followers table. Everything is connected. That's why Instagram knows exactly what to show you. When you refresh, number 1, website requests fresh data. 2, server queries database. 3, database sends results. 4, page updates instantly. So you are not seeing saved pages, you are seeing live data pulled in real time. Let's connect everything. You is connected to the browser. From the browser, it sends your data to the server. From the server, it sends it to the database. Then everything now reverses for you to get back the information. From the database, it goes to the server. From the server to the browser, and from the browser to you. This loops happens every single time you interact online. Websites protect your data using encryption, hashing, access control, but no system is perfect. That's why data breaches happen, which is why you should use strong password, avoid reusing passwords. Understanding database isn't just for developers. It helps you understand how apps work, build your own projects, think like a programmer. And if you are studying computer science, this is one of the most important concepts you all ever learn. Now you know how websites store your data, how database work, and how apps handle millions of users instantly. But here is the thing, this is just the beginning. If you want to learn how to build your own apps, understand back-end development, or master programming concepts in a simple way, then do this right now. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment database so I know you made it to the end. And in the next video, I'll show you how to build your own database powered app from scratch. See you there.